This is like the Margarita's cooler older cousin that always has cigarettes, a leather jacket, and like reminds you of the classic movie stars. They may or may not like always be in black and white. This is just asking to be paired with chips and guac and salsa, and I really love the interplay of the smoke and the mulled spices and the bright lime zest. It is a wonderfully delightful and sophisticated summer cocktail. So let's go shopping. First ingredient for our Mezcal Mirage, believe it or not, is Mezcal. And this one got nice smokiness to it, really smooth. It is double distilled in a copper pot still, so you're gonna get some nice subtleties to it that really come through beautifully in our cocktail. So next, we are going to use this yuzu liqueur. So yuzu is a Japanese fruit that's got lime, grapefruit-esque flavor notes to it. This is made with yuzu from a 100-year-old grove, and it's also got a little cherub riding an octopus. So this is a necessary component to your liquor cabinet. Next, La Mirage, an aromatized wine. It is from the Piedmont region in northern Italy. The base is a red wine, then it is aromatized. So you get those deeper mulled wine spices and also a higher alcohol content to it. It adds a lot of kind of nice spice and warmth, and it is just delightful and beautiful. Let's make our Mezcal Mirage. We're gonna start with a glass. I don't know why I never know what to call it. Mixing glass of ice. 1.5 ounces. You can actually see what I'm pouring. 1.5 ounces Mezcal. 3/4 ounce La Mirage. 1/2 ounce yuzu liqueur. Get the up close personal shot of the limes being gutted. 1/2 ounce lime juice. Stir. Rocks glass. Strain. Garnish with an orange peel. It's pretty. And that is how you make a Mezcal Mirage.